can't just jump in and,
It's like
work
fasting
out.
and skipping meals. You just can't do a day or 3 without practicing.
Well, it's also you're going to get injured. And this is one of the main things that happens to people that dive right into the deep end of the pool when they start working out is they get hurt. They get muscle pulls. They get backaches. They get all these different things that happen because I think you just pushed your body too quickly. It's like you're in boot camp. Like, well, you don't have to be in boot camp. This is not the way to do it. The way to do it is like slowly build up and trust the process. Okay. Slowly. Start by, if you're overweight, like my friend Jelly Roll, he lost 250 pounds. What did he do? Started walking. Just started walking around the neighborhood, walk around the block,